School Online. Today's video for Sass variable. Now, first of all, I open my Sass project in Command Pro. For the opening or for the open this project Command Pro, the shortcuts method is you type in the uh, your CMD and this project is same open in the Command Pro. Now, first I start the terminal of uh, compiler of this is my Sass folder and this is the Sass file. And I evaluate to my this folder and I click style.css. Right enter. Now it start. Now I show you. Basically, I'm using bracket for doing Sass on uh, doing code and all things. Now project will open. Now my project is open and the Sass is also running. Sass is watching for changes. Control plus C to watch. Now first up I open my style.scss file. This is my Sass file and I show you how to using variables in Sass. Now first of all in the on the top of the file I define one variable text color. Text color is FFWW and the background color. Now see, the compiler has done his work and then see what is the result. First I copy this, I change some value here to okay. I copy this and paste here and same like that and copy this and put background color and paste the variables. Now see what is the result. I put now see what is the result. I open my style. Oh, sorry. The result will show. Actually, I put this file. See, I put here the text color this and background color this, and in the style.css file the colors comes here and the background comes here. Now the Sass variable is automatically the output in the color and in background color it's already also already uh, automatically put the background color. See, color is this, background color like this. Now this is a basic Sass variable thing. Now, well, another thing, if you having put some variable in here like that text or put variables here put okay, and I use this as well here. See what is the result? The result compile is good. I define one variables with this value and I put here and return. If I want to use the same variables in the other side like that, if I put anchor tag and I use the parent parent or use put the same code. So what it does? It having a error because I define the this variable here, but it not access to the another curly brackets. If you want to access the same variables values to other brackets, so you define here the word globals. Now this variables define as global C. The error is gone and the same value is come here. If you want to access the same variables to another curly brackets or other um, construct or curly brackets, so you define the variable like a global. If you define this variables to the root, means if you define here, you doesn't want to put global. If you put it to the in between these curly brackets, you have to put global. If you not put globals and you use another in curly brackets, so he give the error. So this is a global property of. So one another thing I show you. If you if you're having some class in like uh, like that, if you're having a class slider minus background color. In this widget, if you put this in a variables like that, if you put like child and the child is here, dollar child equal to wizard. Now what the result is show a error because it's not compile this as a text. If you want to put this text, you have to make it the you put one hash and curly bracket and then sorry the variable name. Now see, error is gone and the variable's value is in show. Now what you do if you want to put a variable value between the class name or variable or ID name, you have to put a curly bracket and hash. So the Sass compile it properly. Now it is also for doing same for the other IDs and all these things. And one more thing, if you put font and you have 400 and you have three variables base line 1.25 em line height 200 pixel. Now see, I put here both things together and I also put the text. Now see what is the result if I same things when I use the variable in a math operator. Now the error is come. For resolve this error, you have to doing same like which you have done in the parent. Put a hash with curly brackets. You have to same like that. See, the result is 400 1 minus 25 oblique 200 pixels. Now, if you use the variable's value within a statement or something, you have to put a hash with curly brackets. So you use the variables in a Sass. So guys, this is a video for Sass variable. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope that you enjoy this video and you learn about the Sass variables. In this video, I show you the define a variables and how to access one variables to the another bracket. If you define one variable between this bracket and you want to use this variable to another bracket, you have to put it into global. If you not put it in the root and you define within the bracket and use in other where, you have to put it globals. And other side I show you the how to access the variables between any statement or between any class name or ID. So now, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for more video updates. Thanks.